Look, kids, it's a king cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It even eats other snakes. Look, kids, it's an Indian python. This snake has no venom but uses its strong body to squeeze its prey. Look, kids, it's a viper. Vipers have folding fangs and deliver very strong venom. Look, kids, it's a green vine snake. It hides in trees and looks just like a green leaf or vine. Look, kids, it's a crate. Crates come out at night and have very dangerous venom. Look, kids, it's a coral snake. Coral snakes are colorful but very poisonous. Look, kids, it's a rat snake. This snake isn't venomous and helps farmers by eating rats. Look, kids, it's an anaconda, one of the heaviest snakes in the world. It can hunt in water too. Look, kids, it's a Russell's viper. This dangerous snake is found in India and can strike very fast. Look, kids, it's a hog-nosed snake. When scared, it pretends to be dead. So funny. Look, kids, it's a water snake. It swims in rivers and ponds and loves eating fish. Look, kids, it's a boa constrictor. It's not venomous but uses its body to squeeze and catch prey. Look, kids, it's a saw-scaled viper. This angry little snake rubs its body to make a scary sound. Look, kids, it's a tree snake. It lives in trees and can even eat birds. Look, kids, it's a sand boa. This snake hides under the sand and slowly grabs its prey. Look, kids, it's a sea snake. Sea snakes live in the ocean and are super venomous. Look, kids, it's a black mamba, one of the fastest snakes in the world, very quick and dangerous. Look, kids, it's a copperhead. Its venom isn't very strong, but its bite still hurts. Look, kids, it's a milk snake. It's not poisonous, but looks a lot like the coral snake. Look, kids, it's a blind snake. It lives under the ground and has tiny little eyes.